This video will show you exactly where to enter your mileage deduction in TurboTax. If you're self-employed or use your car for business, mileage can be a big tax deduction. Inside TurboTax, go to Wages and Income and find the Self-Employment section. Once you enter your business, look for Business Expenses, then select Vehicle Expenses. From there, you'll be asked if you want to use the standard mileage rate or actual expenses. Most people choose the standard mileage. Just enter your total business miles for the year. Make sure you only include miles driven for business, not personal use. TurboTax will calculate the deduction automatically for you. Review everything, and you're good to go. Follow for more simple tutorials like this.